Good evening, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, April the 12th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all this evening. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And today I've already solved 3 puzzles. Otherwise, yeah, too much. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright, the 3 star Sudoku number 8351. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Yeah, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. 5 printed digits more. Well, lately the publisher has published the wrong indication. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 2 numbers left. Here also 2 numbers left. And those numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, let me mark those 3 and the 4. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes, and there. Alright, and now, let me see. How about? We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places left of the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the last row, no 5 there. The only place left of the 5 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left of 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left of 6 should be there. And then, let me see. Need a 6 here, okay. Need a 7 there. In this column, the first column, we need a 7. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this big square, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. Another 7 in the last row, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 should be there. And then, let me see. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well. 2, 2. Alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left with 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be there. 8, 8, okay. Then, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next? So in that column, the only 2 places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with a 5. Okay. How about 138. So these three missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. Okay, so we have a 1 in this row. 1 in one of these three boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Two numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 and 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. And now, let me see. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. Then let me see. How about 3, 4? I need an 8 here. Okay. 2 there. 7. Need a 2 there. 1. Need a 6 here. And I need a 9 here. Yeah. Well, in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. These 3 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 6, 1, 9. Okay, 1, 6, 9. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 5, 8. Okay. Interesting. Cannot fill this yet. Okay, 2, 4, and I need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the fifth column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 2 and the 4 are missing now in the third column. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. Number 2. 2. Okay, 2. Here. Need a 4 here. 4. 3, 4, and need a 6. No. 3, 4, and need a 9 here. Well, we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. No. 8. 3 and the 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and 8. And now, yeah. be the number here. Should be the 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. Interesting. Need a 5 here, 5, 5. 7, need a 9 here, 9, 9. 3 and the 8 here, 3 and 8. Well, here we have a pair, 3 and an 8. That means here also a pair, 3 and an 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Well, we have 2 and a 6 in this column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. No. Need to wait. So we need a 6 now. 6 and a 5. Okay, we have a pair. 6 and a 5 in this column. The 6 and the 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. And look, we have 6 and a 5 in this row. So no 6 and a 5 in this box. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1, 3, 8 should be here. 1, 3, 8. Okay. How about here? Need a 3, 8, and a 1. Yeah, we need a 1 in this column. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the second row. No 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in this column should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and the 8, we have a 3 there, so this box should be an 8. 3 and an 8, we have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Oh, apologies. Bumped the camera. So 2 numbers left here, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4, 5, 8. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, should be a 0 stars, told you. Faster than 30 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.